Know that until the last hour of your last day in office, you will do your work that honors our oath, respects our uniform, earns the admiration of our peers, and affirms the prestige that you have earned through a lifetime of service. That you will uphold the principles that made you patriots, professionals, always compliant with command, faithful to our Constitution, loyal to our country, and mindful of our conscience. Malaki ang inyong katungkulan na gagampanin pa. Mabigat pa ang mga gawaing nag-aantay sa inyo. Marami pa tayong misyon na harapin at higit sa lahat, malaki ang inaasahan sa inyo ng sambayanan na ating pinaglilingkuran at ng Republika na ating pinagtatanggol at minamahal. Huwag natin silang biguin. Yan ang kapalit ng bago ninyong ranggo. Yan ang sukli sa kanilang pananalig sa inyo.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.